Thank you for trusting us at Complete Exteriors to help with the restoration or renovation of your beautiful home. Houses come in many different shapes and sizes, and each roof has its own unique aspects. The old saying, "No two roofs are alike," is very true. The same can be said for insurance companies and their claims handling processes, because each company has its own procedure for settling their claims. Now, we have the system and the people in place to help navigate this process with you. Let me introduce you to the Insurance Supplemental Team at Complete Exteriors. This is General Manager Eddie Coleman, who will explain more. Now that the customer has chosen Complete Exteriors to handle their roof replacement, how can you assist them in going through the insurance claim process?
Really, this is where we shine here at Complete Exteriors. I myself am a 20-year veteran of the insurance industry, and we have a staff of Xactimate certified supplement specialists. We work hand in hand with the homeowner and the insurance adjuster to ensure that the insurance company covers the claim correctly and fully.
How involved does the homeowner have to be in the process?
Great question. Sometimes not very much at all, and then other times it is very beneficial to assist in the conversations with the adjusters. If the latter is the case, we act as a guide to help communicate with the insurance company. Some insurance companies, due to their internal policies, will hardly communicate with a contractor. This can make the claims process drag out if the customer is not willing to help us. Other companies are very open and easy to work with. No matter which case it may be, we have a system in place to help you achieve a satisfying result.
Now, when a customer does have to be involved, what does that look like?
When the customer receives their claims paperwork from their adjuster, we will take that and review it for accuracy and see what items may have been missed or any other discrepancies we may have. We will then provide the customer with our revised estimate and have them communicate the differences, which we will point out and fully explain to their adjuster. We will always be there to guide and help our customers through the process.
Insurance claim paperwork looks so confusing. Who can make sense of all of that?
This is another area where we can add value to the process. Most companies include verbiage on their cover letters saying to share this with their chosen contractor. They usually also state that if there are any concerns or questions regarding the estimate, to please contact them.
With all the numbers on a typical claim, how can you help the customer understand what's exactly paid for or covered in their claim?
Very basically, if you can understand these three terms, you will be better equipped to have a grasp on how you are being made whole in an insurance claim. Number one is ACV, or actual cash value. That is defined as, after a loss, actual cash value coverage pays you what your property is worth today. ACV is calculated by taking what it would cost to buy your property new today and subtracting depreciation for factors such as age and condition. If you do not complete your repairs according to your claim scope of work, that is all the funds you will generally receive from the insurance company. Number two is RCV, or replacement cost value. This is defined as the amount of money it would take to replace your damaged or destroyed property with the exact same or similar items in today's market. If you do have the repairs completed as detailed in your claims paperwork, you will be eligible to receive the withheld funds your insurance company is holding, assuming you do have a replacement cost style policy, which we can easily help you figure out. Number three is deductible. A deductible is an amount of money that you yourself are responsible for paying towards the insured loss. It is also referred to as the self-insured amount. This amount is your responsibility to pay as the policyholder out of pocket. Your premiums that you pay for your policy are actually affected by this.
Now, can you give a brief summary of the timeline of the claims process?
Now at this stage, we have met with your insurance adjuster at your property, and the initial claims paperwork has most likely been received by you. Please contact your sales associate and they will gather that information from you and turn it over to your assigned supplement specialist. They will begin right away to analyze the claim and point out any missed items or building code issues. Once we have a good grasp on the scope of work required to bring your home back to its full potential, we will advise you as to whether we can proceed with your roofing project or need to consult with your insurance company further, which is called a supplement. Just like in an auto accident, you may not know the full extent of all the damages until you get into the project. This would be called a back-end supplement. Once we are all in agreement, we can finalize your construction agreement and proceed towards getting you that beautiful new roof.
The team here at Complete Exteriors is ready and willing to help guide you through this process. We'll be emailing you more information as well as another video describing other parts of the re-roof process as your project moves forward. Thank you again for your trust, and if you have any questions, please just ask your sales associate.